How to use candlesticks on IQ option. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to use candlesticks on IQ option, you just need to change the chart type. So candlesticks help you see price movements more clearly than a simple line chart. So let's go ahead and do it. First things first, open your IQ option application on your PC or your laptops and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select your assets. From the top of the screen, click on the drop down and choose any currency pair or assets you want to use. Right after you do that, you'll be able to open up the chart page. From here, go to the bottom menu and look for the chart type button and click on it. Underneath chart type, select candles. The chart will instantly change to candlesticks. Each candlestick shows 4 prices: open, close, high and low. The green candlestick means the price went up, red means the price went down. At the bottom left, you will see a time frame option. Click on the time frame option and choose between the time frames. Many traders use the 1 minute or the 5 minute candles to see trends more clearly. So that is how you can easily enable candlesticks in IQ option. Candlesticks helps you see the price movements more clearly than others. So here is how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.